lot of people have been asking the question, do I primarily make my income from my marketing agency or do I just make a lot of money off of the affiliate program? And I'm here to tell you I work on my agency day in and day out. So I wanted to rerun a part 2 essentially of a video that I just posted about calling Facebook leads that come through from the Facebook ads that I run for my marketing agency. And this video is really, really good. I highly recommend watching it all the way through so that way you can see how all the different calls go. And I hope you enjoy. This is James with Spark Growth. The reason why I was giving you a call is because a few days ago you submitted your information on our Facebook ad. It was in regards to our Houston website promotion that we're running, and your information was submitted. Seems like you're in the tree service industry.
Yeah, you speak Spanish?
I don't speak Spanish, but I can still work with you. It seems like your English is pretty good.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not a problem. So yeah, we work with plenty of tree service businesses. I mean, I'm sure you saw the ad. That's how your information was submitted. But right now, it's no setup fee. Normally, that's $500. That's being completely waived, and there's no contracts as well. And you get a fully built website. You get a live AI chatbot that.
I got the website.
Oh, okay, you do.
But I'm the owner to my domain.
Perfect.
But I think the design and everything is not really good. I need to something to make it looking good.
Okay.
To something only to change a couple things.
Got it.
But you the star. I know the star in the website, but I understand a little bit.
Okay, got it. And I think I found your website right here. I'm getting it pulled up right now.
I mean, the thing is, are you looking for the one guy?
Yes, I'm the owner. I'm the owner of the business. Yes, now here is the thing, is that promotion that you came across on and that you submitted your info is limited to 10 businesses. And so we only have 3 slots left. And so I don't want you to miss out on the promotion. It seems like you're very interested and I definitely want to help you out. So is there any way that you can do before that by chance, just so we can make sure that you're being all taken care of? Or is the 5th the earliest that you can do?
Let me see what we can do tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Tonight.
I mean, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I mean, tonight would definitely be preferable. That way we can go ahead and hit the ground running and you can make sure that your spot is secured. So, I mean, how late are you going to get home? Is it around 5:30 or 6 p.m.?
Around 7.
Around 7?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. So I'll go ahead and get you booked in for tonight. And that works for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'll go ahead and get you booked in and just let me get this confirmation sent over to you. Just give me about 20 seconds here. This is the best phone number to send the invite to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Or you can use my email too.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, I got that info submitted, and you should receive a text here in about the next 5 seconds. You're also sent an email. It is preferred that you join on the computer, so that way you can see my screen bigger, but if you can only join on your phone, that's completely fine. But yeah, so did you receive that message? Okay. All right, sir. Well,
what's your company name?
My company name is Spark Growth, and so we're located here in Austin, Texas, so not far off from you at all.
Okay, you local?
Yes, sir, Austin, Texas. So, yeah, so it seems like we're all set for 6 p.m., sir. I'll see you on the call then.
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
All right, sir. Well, I'll talk to you then, and let's see if we can make a deal happen, and we can take care of you here at Spark Growth. Well, thank you for your time, sir. And that is how we do it. We get book calls. He wanted to book for later. I told him no. This is limited promotion, and now we got him to book in. Let's go ahead and move on to the next call. This is James with Spark Growth. The reason why I was giving you a call is because yesterday at around 9 p.m. you submitted your info on our Facebook ad. It was in regards to our Houston website promotion that we're running.
Okay, what's the promotion for?
It's for our website. So right now we're doing no setup fees, no contracts, and it gets you a fully built website for just $97 a month. And your info was submitted, and so just was giving you a call back to see how we can help.
Oh, okay. Now I was interested to see how much it's going to run me, and I've never had a website. I'm in the cash register sales and service, but I retired, and every now and then I get some old customer or somebody that knows me and wants to buy a register, and I was thinking about maybe getting back in the cash register business.
Okay.
And that's why I wanted to see how much it would cost me to set up a website, but you just told me it's like $97 a month?
Yes, sir. That gets you a website. It gets you a live AI chatbot on your website that can help answer any questions that people may have whenever they go onto your website. You also get a Google review automation system. You get unlimited website updates as well. So feel free to reach out to us at any time to go ahead and get any website revisions done. You get a dedicated support specialist as well that's directly tied to your account that helps you out with all your needs. And all that is just $97 a month. No setup fee, which is normally $500. We're completely waiving that. And there's no contract. So if you're ever unhappy, you can leave at any time. We just ask for a 30 days notice.
Okay. Can you send me an email with your information so I can get back to you?
Yes, I definitely can. And just to let you know that Houston ad, it said it in the ad. I don't know if you listened to it all the way through, but this is for the first 10 businesses, and there's only 3 slots left. So I just recommend, reaching out as soon as possible to at least get a book call with us so we can go ahead and potentially see about getting started. Other than that, I mean, the promotion does end, and then there is a setup fee attached back to it. But that's why we were running that ad, because it's a promotion right now. So.
Okay, well, the reason I got interested is because my son, he's got a epoxy floor business, and I think he's shopping around or dealing with somebody right now about a website.
Okay.
And let me give him some information about you too if he ain't done anything yet.
Okay.
Maybe you can get me and him together.
For sure. I mean, if you want to pass on his number to me, I can give him a call, or if you just want to pass on this number, I mean, this is my direct line, then you can go ahead and do that. Whatever leads to the quickest communication, because like I said, this ends at the end of the year. So yeah, I would definitely recommend, doing it as soon as possible. And you said what business is he in?
Epoxy floors.
Oh, epoxy floors. Sounds good. Yeah, I can send you a text message. Would that work, or would you like an email?
It don't matter, text message or email, and that way I have your information.
Okay, got it, sir. All right, well, sounds good, Jose. Well, thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing back from you and your son here soon. And like I said, just reach out to us as soon as possible. We'd definitely like to get you both in here and, serve you guys.
Okay, thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Yes, sir. You too. Bye. This is James with Spark Growth. The reason why I was given a call is because a few days ago, you submitted your Facebook information on our Facebook ad. It was for a local Houston website promotion that we're running right now. And yeah, it seems like you submitted your information. It seems like you're in the party rental business.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so just giving a call to see how we can help. It seems like you are interested in potentially getting a website. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Well, yeah, so have you had a website before?
No, sir.
Alrighty, nice. So this would be your first go around with some online marketing, I would assume?
That's correct.
Perfect. Okay, we can definitely help you out. How long have you been in business for?
18 years.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's very nice. Well, congratulations on that. In the ad, pretty much what it stated is that right now we're doing no setup fees, which is anywhere from $500 to $1,000. We're completely waiving that, and there's no contract. So if you're ever unhappy, then you can cancel at any time. And we just ask for a 30 days notice. Our base package is just $97 a month, and that gets you a full-on website. It gets you a live AI chatbot. So essentially, it's a little widget that's on your website. And let's say if someone asked, "Hey, can you do our graduation party?" or "Hey, can you do our quinceañera?" whatever the case is, and you're busy, AI will go ahead and respond to that. And so it's nurturing those leads as soon as they come through the door.
Oh, got you.
Yes. And then we also have a Google review automation where essentially once you're done with the client, you can ask them for a Google review, and it actually only gets you 4 to 5 stars in our automation. So we essentially have a way to get you Google reviews on autopilot, which is very nice for your business as well. And we do offer other things such as a booking calendar, social media planner, a ton of other features, invoicing even, whatever the case is. We're really an all-in-one platform, for businesses. But, the ad that you inquired on was about our $97 a month promotion. So as long as you're booking your spot before the end of the year, then we should be able to take care of you. So let's go ahead and get you booked in on my calendar. So that way we can essentially reserve a spot for you. It is just recommended that obviously you show up on that call, especially since, since we're extending the offer. So it's okay. What day were you thinking?
Like maybe Tuesday, Wednesday?
Tuesday. So the 6th of January?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sounds good. And what time were you thinking?
I said morning time. I mean, the earlier the better for me.
Okay. How does 9 a.m. sound?
Okay. And then in the meantime, you're going to send me the...
Oh, yes, of course. All the details.
Okay, please do. And that way I have time to kind of do my little research also.
For sure. Alrighty. Well, I just went ahead and got you booked in. If you can confirm that you received that text message containing that Zoom link. It was also sent to your email as well, so either one will work. It is recommended that you do join on the computer, just so you can see my screen bigger, because I'll be showing you the sample website. I'll be showing you, other websites that we have done as well.
Okay, yes.
Alrighty. Sounds good. So yes, we're all confirmed. We're all good to go. And right after this call, I'll send over all that information so you can go ahead and verify us, and you'll see how credible we are. I think you'll be impressed with what we have to offer.
Thank you, James. I appreciate you taking the time to call up, sir.
No problem. Thank you. We would definitely get all the services that you actually do. We would get them listed on the site. So that wouldn't be a problem at all. So there's no problem with combining them, whatever the case is. Now, as mentioned in the ad, did you hear the other features that come along with the promotion that we're doing, or you didn't get to that part?
I didn't get to that part of this.
Okay. Yeah, so with that promotion, you get a website. You also get a live AI chatbot. So it's a little widget on the bottom right, of your website. And so what it does is that if anyone goes on there and they have any questions, like, hey, can you go ahead and do this backyard patio for us? You said you do patios, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you come do this patio and I'm located in Katy, Texas. An AI can go ahead and respond and nurture that lead as soon as it comes through. So essentially, you're always going to have a AI chatbot essentially nurture those leads that come through the door via that live AI chatbot. Yes, and so it's a very, very helpful feature for, if you're busy out giving a quote or if you're en route on a job, that live AI chatbot can definitely take over the conversation and, nurture that lead while you're busy. And the other feature that is mentioned is a Google review automation as well. So essentially, once you're done with the job, yes, sir. Once you're done with the job, you can go ahead and request for a Google review, and it actually only gets you 4 to 5 stars. If they say anything below that, it takes them to an additional feedback form. So all that's taken care of for you, and we actually respond to your reviews if you want us to using AI, so it'll automatically be responded to. And if you have a Facebook or Instagram, it will automatically be posted on there as well as a part of the service that we offer. Yes, so all in all, we're touching basis on everything. That is our base package that we are offering: website, live ad chatbot, Google review automation system. So that's that base package right there. Yeah, I mean, as long as your service is pretty good and we're able to hop on a call, I mean, that works completely fine.
Yeah, I'm sure we could. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure we'll be fine.
So around what time would that be?
Maybe 10.
Okay. Yeah, so unfortunately I am booked at 10:15 and then I'm also booked at 10:45 and 11. So 12 would be more ideal. I mean, unless you can do 11:45.
Okay. Yeah, 11:45 is fine.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, we can go ahead and do that. Oh, I was going to say this is the best phone number, of course.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sounds good. All right, so we should receive a text message here in about the next 5 seconds or so, and it will contain that Zoom link, and we'll be all good to go for tomorrow at 11:45 a.m., sir.
Okay, I'll write it in.
Alrighty.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Well, you have a blessed night. Hey, I just got off the phone with your husband, and he gave me your number to go ahead and give a call to. And
Quote?
no, he gave me your number to give a call to. He submitted info on our Facebook ad in regards to our Houston website promotion that we're running right now. And so he gave me your number to go ahead and give you a call. I just got off the phone with him about like 10 seconds ago, right before I called you.
Okay.
Yes, and so what the ad stated is that right now we're running a Houston promotion for websites right now. And that means no setup fee, no contracts. So usually it's about a $500 setup fee. We are completely waiving that out the door, and there's no contract. So if you're ever unhappy, then you can leave at any time. And it's just $97 a month. And that it gets you unlimited website revisions. It gets you a dedicated support specialist. It gets you a live AI chatbot as well. And it gets you a Google review automation system. And plus a whole entire website for $97 a month.
Yeah. Okay. So let me talk first to my husband because I want to make sure about this. He told me that, but I want to speak first because he said that he want only the information about it, how it's easy, how it's worked that. So you let me know. You ready? Let me know how it's worked for that. So let me talk to my husband and I let him know first, and then I just return the call. What is your name?
My name is James.
James. Okay.
So a website was something that you were looking at for the time being?
Yeah, I need to get a website because I'm recovering right now because my business partner we built another set of property and he stole a lot of money from me, and so my investor, I pretty much had to pay him $900,000 back.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and so right now I'm like in the very beginning phase.
Got it.
So I pretty much wiped out everything and having to start all over just because I kind of went ghost, after that had happened. And so now I'm just coming back.
So that's why right now we're running that holiday promotion. Right now it's $0 setup fee. So normally on our $97 a month plan, that's $500. That's being completely waived right now, and that's till the end of the year. And so there's no setup fee, there's no contracts. If you're ever unhappy, then you can leave at any time. We just ask for a 30 days notice, and it's just $97 a month, and that gets you a website, a Google review automation, which I think you can get more than the current 2 reviews that you have right now. Seems like you do great work, so that automation should help with that. And you get a live AI chatbot as well on your site to help interact with leads. Whenever you're not on your phone, whatever the case is, AI can go ahead and respond to that, answer questions like, how you've been around for 20 years, all that good stuff.
Oh, okay. So the startup is just the $97 a month.
Exactly. Yes. And we build
Okay.
for home builders all of the, I mean, we have done it many times. One here in Texas is Artisan Homes. I believe they're Northwest Texas, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
But absolutely amazing site. And so if you wanted to, what I'd like to do is to get you on a Zoom call as soon as possible, just
Okay.
because it's before the end of the year. That's never the sale ends. And we can go over the details. I can show you other design websites that we have done. I mean, I can do later today if you wanted. I mean, if it's booked, that's not a problem. Or I know you said tomorrow you're booked, but if you're booked this afternoon, I mean, that's completely fine as well. Just wanted to, literally the next time you're available would definitely be best.
Okay, I'm thinking maybe Thursday.
Okay, Thursday.
How does Thursday sound?
Yes, that should work. And you should, yes, you'll still be in the promotion lines just because you booked before the end of the year. So that wouldn't be a
Okay.
problem. So what time would work best
Okay.
on the 1st?
12:30.
12:30? Yes. Let me see if that is available. And yes, I can go ahead and be on that call then. And let me go ahead and send over that information, that confirmation with the Zoom link and all that good stuff. Okay. And I just got that sent over to you. Should contain a Zoom link, and
Okay.
we should be good to go. Yeah, so I'll talk to you January 1st at the time
Okay.
that we agreed, 12:30, and we'll be all good to go. We'll go over all the details, and I'll actually have a sample website done for you as well on that Zoom call. So it's just a little sample so
Okay.
you can see what we can do for you, and we'll be all good to go.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Thank you. And tell me your name again. I'm sorry.
My name is James. I'll be the one on the call with you.
James. Oh, okay, James. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well,
All
thank
right.
you for the follow-up.
My name is James. The reason why I was given a call is because a few days ago you submitted your information on our Facebook ad. It was for our Houston website promotion that we're running right now. And yeah, so your information was submitted. So I was just given a call to see how we can help. It seems like you're in the junk removal business.
Yes. I'm really busy right now. I believe I spoke to one of you guys last week.
I'm not sure. It seems like we haven't called you before, but I can give you a call back later today. Would that be okay?
Yes. I'm at work right now. I know that you guys still working.
Yes, I mean, I can give you a call in the afternoon. Around what time works best for you?
Is 6 will be too late for you?
6? Let me take
Like,
a
that's
look.
what out.
Yeah, you're good. No worries. Let me take a look just real
What's the
quick.
latest you can do?
If 6 is available, then we can definitely do that. Yeah, I can do 6. So if you don't mind, I mean, I can go ahead and get you booked in on my calendar. You'll be sent a Zoom link. And all you do is just join the Zoom so I can show you websites that we have done, go over all the different details, tell you about the promotion. Does that work for you?
Yeah, that would work.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, I'll go ahead and get you booked in, and I'll let you get back to work here.
Okay, hey, no problem. I'll talk to you soon.
Yes, sir. Talk to you soon. Bye. Another booked one. Super easy. You just tell them about the offer. You're quick, easy, cut to the chase. You don't sound like you're from an actual company. You just sound like someone that cares. And that concludes the cold calling Facebook ads session. I'm going to do another one of these. I hope you guys learned something. Comment something down below, and I'll respond to it. See you in the next one.